for my headpiece too is like just that, just the tree itself.
That Mingy blue.
Mingy's blue?
Drummond.
Yeah,
And
can I
Drummond.
see your picture? Can you point it out to me? Show me the different components. What is your picture of?
I'm a Drummond, Daddy Drummond.
Daddy
Hey,
Drummond.
I'm Mingy Drummond. Hey,
Where's Daddy? Show me.
And Daddy dancing.
Oh, Daddy's dancing. Where's Mingy?
Drummond.
Where? Show me on the picture.
Drummond.
Oh, okay. What is Mingy singing?
I'm ready. And the moon under stars. Sing that song.
Oh, that's a nice song. And Daddy's dancing to it?
Yeah.
Who else is dancing?
Shisham,
Shisham's
Auntie,
dancing?
and Kikam, and Mommy, and Shisham and Daddy.
Oh, very nice. Where's Nigek?
Mom, it's baby.
Oh, Nigek's a baby? So where do babies go?
They're here.
Oh, okay. There's
Shisham
Nigek.
carrying him.
Oh, Lishem's carrying him? That's nice.
I'm a bigger.
You're bigger? What are you doing then when you're bigger?
Look at dragon. Playing toys.
You're playing with toys? While everybody's at the powwow, you're playing with toys? No? What are you doing at the powwow? Are you snagging girlfriends?
No.
Well, then what are you doing?
Better be snagging, boy.
What does Nigek do at the powwow?
They go
Do you drum or do you dance?
I'm dancing.
I thought you were drumming.
Yeah,
Actually. So you just actually. Apparently Nigek does nothing at the powwow. Logs?
Oh no.
Like logs at the fire, or like logs in the toilet?
No.
Pooping? You guys are crazy.